Hey man, you know where you watch.
Yes, but there again, my people, once more, no. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. You see, yeah, I have certain things I want to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you as well. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm not exactly sure how to explain certain things about this video. But in my point of view, and based on some things that a person said in the video, I got the understanding that the person somewhat gave an example and somewhat tried to explain something that I would call a family tree, viewers and subscribers. But the person said and did certain things in this video that I've been thinking. But people, I want you to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think. Observe.
This is my father.
Yeah.
This is his brother.
Yeah, right.
Down the family tree, this is me.
Yeah.
M for me, which is here. Down the family tree, he have a daughter, which is she. S for she. Watch this, right? He got a girl, which intercede to make this child. He, the next girl, will intercede to make me.
Yeah.
Right? So this is me, and this is my cousin. Right? You see this woman here? We don't know she from Norway. Right? This is my mother. Right?
Yeah.
There.
So me I talk about people. You ever hear somebody say family ram before? You ever hear anybody at all say family ram before? The way the person just draw the line there, that somewhat implies something to me. But my people, you tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think that video is funny or not. You can tell me what you think the person might be pointing out, or if the person is trying to make a joke, or if it's not. Tell me what you think, alright? I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police from within the country of Jamaica confronted a female. And at least one person said some things in that video that gave me the understanding that the person accused the female of stabbing someone. The video also shows when a police officer picked up or held on to a knife. Viewers and subscribers, there's more to this whole situation than I just said to you, viewers and subscribers. So I'm going to present this video to you first, and then I'm going to give you my understanding about another video that I saw on social media that also shows the same female. So take a look at this video first, and then we'll talk some more. Observe the people. Listen, listen.
Yes! You stab him! The knife for your blood clot! That's what my brother! You should never get involved in that. As a big woman, where left over you go over there to do it for? The road, man. What that done enough to do it right now, Sandra. This is a different situation. Go make a report to the police when you tear down a place. That's how you deal with it. You're wrong. Officer, hey. Officer, do right here.
Police them confront her to her.
Yeah, so I'm here to give the arrest.
Now, I saw another video that shows the same female viewers and subscribers. And that video shows when two persons was fighting with each other. And while those two persons was fighting with each other, viewers and subscribers, a part of the video shows when the same female picked up something that some people might call a stool that's made out of board or wood. And it's like the female hold the stool in a certain position that I assume that she was going to hit one of those persons who was fighting. However, by the time she was able to do what she intended, someone hold on to the stool and the stool was relieved from her hands. See? I also see a picture that shows the female holding on to a knife. You see my people? So, based on certain things that happened, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that the female had been accused of stabbing someone. See? I just can't identify nor give the confirmed information who they might talk about. However, the other video that I saw on social media shows some red markings on clothes of one of those persons who was fighting with each other, viewers and subscribers. You see? Now my people just point out those things. I'm not jumping to no conclusion, but me just make you try and get a better understanding about the whole situation. Now if I could, I would show the other video, viewers and subscribers, but I can't because the video shows a very hostile fight. But based on certain things that I told you and based on the video that I presented to you, you can let me know what you think about the situation. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and based on information that I got about the video, I got the understanding that the video shows some things that happened when law enforcers did certain things to prevent persons from doing this thing that is known as illegal vending, viewers and subscribers. The video shows a person using what is said to be a sledgehammer to destroy what some people might call a stall, viewers and subscribers. I don't know if anybody else might have a different name for that thing. See me? But however, I got the understanding that the video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you. This is not really a long video, but I'd like to take a look at the video and tell me what you think about this situation, viewers and subscribers. You can also hear a person talk in the video. At least one person mentioned Andrew Holness in this video. Anyways, look, listen and observe for yourself.
Can I take one? Everybody I know Dancehall is this a app before Dancehall is
The video is not really a long video, viewers and subscribers, you know. Yeah, I see quite a number of videos on social media with similar situations. So I say viewers and subscribers, you know, but just hope that at some point there will be some good proper solution to the whole issue, because I know one and a two and a three, but quite a number of videos I see on social media with situations that are somewhat similar but not exactly the same, if you understand what I say, you know. Now I want to say big up and respect to all of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Guyana. Yeah, big up. Someone brought this whole situation to my attention, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, so I got information that illegal firearm, ammunition, and drugs was found or seized by law enforcers within the country of Guyana during a raid at a house that is located within the country of Guyana. So I got information that Guyana police said that law enforcers from within the country of Guyana visited a house that is located within the country of Guyana on Friday and found firearm, ammunition, marijuana, and that at least 2 persons had been arrested during the raid. Now, I do not know if anyone else had been arrested when it comes down to this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. But I got the understanding that those two persons who had been detained or arrested was questioned by police. That's as much information I may get, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. Now, I saw more than one pictures posted a certain place on social media about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. And one of the pictures shows something that seems like a gun. You see me I say? But sometimes I look at the picture and I say, yo, what that? You know what I mean? It's no laughing matter still. But anyways, I'm just like give information according to I got information, viewers and subscribers. And you can let me know what you think. And yeah, I think it's here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?